This is how to log an issue or a defect. Go to your logbook, click on it, and then click on these three dots, scroll down to issue log, and you'll see there's a record of all those issues that have been logged and the status. You can, if you wish, just view that issue that's been logged in the past, edit it as well if you want to add further notes, and the construction company will be notified. To create your log of an issue, just go to here, enter in the subject, description. For example, it could be toilet leak, description in the third bedroom on the right. Is this urgent? And then just upload files. All you have to do is either drag a photo that you've saved on your desktop or phone, or click here and it will take you into your computer, your desktop, and you can click on the image. So it is very important to have an image there. So this makes it a lot easier for the management of any issues. Then you just submit and you will have a record. Thank you.